a well-settled principle law, a court dealing with an interlocutory application seeking conservative orders is called upon to exercise a restraint and to resist the temptation of making final findings at such stage.
Riri niryo itua riria rithondekeire njira mbunge ya Senate kwambika mutaratara wa kwaririria kuhagurwo kwa munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua. Itua riri rigithie na mbere gukunderia mwihoko wa Gachagua kuhonoka guthecithio nja. Acirithania OGOLLA, Anthony MRIMA na Frida MUGAMBI itua-ini riao maugite kuringana na gikiro kia haria mutaratara uyu kinyite matire na wiki otiga gutiga mbunge ya Senate ikinyanirie wira wayo ta ruhonge kiumbe thirikari-ini.
The process is a lawful constitutional process, and the Senate will conduct a trial where all the issues being raised before the court will be raised and determined.
Acirithania aya no maugite riendekithia ria Gachagua rirahoyaga igoti rikinyanirie itua ona mbere ya mutaratara wa kumuhagura ukinyete muthia. Mucirithania OGOLLA akiuga kungikinya Gachagua ndakaiganira na itua ria mbunge ya Senate ena mweke wa gukahanda cira igoti-ini.
At the moment, we are being called upon to anticipate the outcome of a process yet to be completed. The application at this stage is premature and anticipatory. The petitioners still have an opportunity to approach the court after the process. The applications are not without a remedy.
Ona gukiri uguo ni makuranite urito wa mashira maria mari mbere yao megie mutaratara uyu makiuga kiwatho ni megutigirira mbunge ya Senate ndinagarara watho mutaratara-ini uyu na itua ria kumuhagura ringikinyanirio igoti ni rigutigirira gatiba ni yathingatwo mutaratara-ini wa kwamura uria ukwihuria ithenya ria munini wa president.
The applications raise constitutional issues that require further judicial interrogation. Whether any prejudice will be suffered by the applicants. No prejudice if the applications are not granted at this stage.
Mawakiri ya Gachagua kurumirira itua riri ni maikirie ihoya ria gwika mogaruruku riendekithia riao, ihoya riria mawakiri ya mbunge ya bururi mareganire nario. Riu muoyo wa Gachagua kiuteti uri moko-ini ma mbunge ya Senate agifatara maseneta 23 hari 67 niguo ahonoke kuhagurwo.
To represent the National Assembly.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.